Hello, I'm going to show you how to get your money back in PayPal if you get scammed. So let's start. First of all, make sure to sign in into your PayPal account with your correct credentials from email address and password. Once you did that, head straight to the account summary page. After that, choose the questionable transaction and check if the other person has claimed the money. If the payment is pending, click the cancel button and then cancel payment, because most scammers using PayPal to con buyers or sellers will claim the money fast to prevent you from canceling it. Thus, your next option is PayPal's purchase protection. How to claim it with purchase protection? It's simple. Just make sure to sign into your PayPal account and move to the resolution center. After that, press report a problem and identify the transaction you consider fraudulent. Next, click continue and choose I want to report unauthorized activity. Follow simple steps to open a dispute. PayPal will give you 20 days to contact the seller and collect your refund. If the seller fails to respond, you can now click escalate to enable PayPal to mediate, and just simply wait for PayPal's feedback, and that's it. If you find this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.